Analyzing the best family cars of 2024, safety, space, and tech features. As we navigate through 2024, the automotive industry offers an impressive array of family-friendly vehicles prioritizing safety, space, and technology. This article breaks down the top contenders in various categories to help you make an informed decision based on your family's needs. Welcome to Auto V Fix, your ultimate YouTube destination for everything automotive. In today's comprehensive video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the best family cars of 2024, focusing on their safety, space, and tech features. Safety first, the latest advancements. When it comes to family cars, safety is paramount. The best family vehicles of 2024 come equipped with advanced safety features that go beyond the basics. 1. Autonomous Emergency Braking, AEB. Most top-rated family cars now include AEB as standard. This system detects potential collisions and automatically applies the brakes if the driver doesn't respond in time. The 2024 Honda Odyssey minivan features an upgraded AEB system that can detect pedestrians and cyclists, even in low-light conditions. 2. 360-degree camera systems. Once a luxury feature, 360-degree camera systems are becoming standard in many family-oriented vehicles. The 2024 Subaru Ascent SUV offers one of the best systems, providing a bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings. 3. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. ADAS, features like lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring are now expected in family vehicles. The 2024 Toyota Sienna minivan stands out with its comprehensive Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 package. Spacious interiors, comfort for the whole family. Family cars need to accommodate not just passengers, but also all the gear that comes with family life. Here are some standouts. 1. Chrysler Pacifica. The 2024 Chrysler Pacifica impresses with its stow-and-go seating, allowing the second and third row seats to fold completely flat into the floor. This feature provides unparalleled versatility for cargo hauling. 2. Kia Telluride. In the midsize SUV category, the 2024 Kia Telluride offers exceptional interior space, comfortably seating up to 8 passengers with a third row that can accommodate adults. 3. Volkswagen ID Buzz. This all-electric option offers a flexible interior with movable and removable seats, allowing for various configurations to suit different needs. Tech features, connectivity, and entertainment. Today's family cars are rolling tech hubs, offering features to keep everyone connected, entertained, and comfortable. 1. Infotainment systems. The 2024 Ford Explorer offers one of the most user-friendly infotainment systems with a large 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen running the latest Sync 4A system. 2. Rear seat entertainment. The 2024 BMW X7 offers an advanced rear seat entertainment system with dual 12.3-inch HD touchscreens that can stream content from passengers' devices or from built-in streaming apps. 3. Climate control innovations. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid features a rear sleeping mode, allowing the driver to mute the rear speakers and adjust the rear climate to maintain a comfortable sleeping environment for backseat passengers. Top picks for different family needs. Best overall family SUV, Kia Telluride. The 2024 Kia Telluride offers a perfect blend of space, safety features, and technology, all wrapped in an attractive package with a premium feel at a reasonable price point. Best minivan, Honda Odyssey. For larger families or those who prioritize maximum interior space, the 2024 Honda Odyssey remains the top choice with its flexible seating configurations and comprehensive safety features. Best electric family car, Tesla Model Y. The 2024 Tesla Model Y stands out for its combination of range, performance, and advanced tech features. Its spacious interior and optional third row make it a versatile choice for eco-conscious families. Best budget-friendly option, Mazda CX-5. The 2024 Mazda CX-5 offers impressive value with an upscale interior, engaging driving dynamics, and a comprehensive set of safety features at a competitive price point. In conclusion, the best family cars of 2024 offer an impressive array of safety features, spacious interiors, and advanced technology. When choosing the right vehicle for your family, consider your specific needs in terms of passenger capacity, cargo space, and desired features. While this video focuses on new 2024 models, don't overlook slightly used vehicles from recent years. They can offer significant savings while still providing many of the advanced features found in newer models. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if you have any questions. Until next time, stay cool, stay dry, and happy driving.